I'm standing in my balcony of that kitchen and look at this, so cold early in the morning, so lovely. You can see, as you can see, like snowfall as well as rain. Snowflakes are a little less, but can't be seen clearly what they will be. Let's go for next. Hello my friends, good morning. It's early morning of 8:30 in China right now, Beijing. It's so cold morning. At 4:30 I just heard a music of rain and I was feeling a bit cold. I got up and I saw out. It was raining and it is fantastic for me. Look, at outside there is a snow as well as rain. It's very strange and new thing for me. Also, some flakes of snow are getting down, and as well as the water is falling down. And we also have a fear of coronavirus. It's early morning. I am going to make my breakfast, and in my breakfast, I would love to include you. See what is my breakfast today, and I hope one request: please subscribe and share to have updates about the living in China. Thank you very much for now. Let's go to make the breakfast and have breakfast together. See you for then. Bye.
Good morning guys. Today early in the morning in China, so I'm gonna make my breakfast. I'm washing potatoes. And my breakfast is very simple. And here it goes. 2-3 eggs are okay. 1 kilo of chickens. And put some more eggs. Come on, what you doing? This is 5 eggs are okay. There will be 41. But it's not too. 10 of the light. Yes, this is the light. We'll keep the light on. Keep the light. Here we go. Keep the light on here. And turn on the light. I'm gonna make more chips. We can use, here we go. Like that. I will have some dates. Chinese dates, fried dates.
These are two ingredients. First, dry dates. Bunch of dry dates which are washed. This is coriander, green coriander. I will put some water, honey, and some dry milk, and then we'll make smoothie of it and drink and eat some eggs. This is how. This is a Chinese kind of sweetener or sweet or taste. Okay, I put some water, taste, and here we go. I have put some warm water, kind of tea. I'm gonna put this on again. Here. Here we go. Then I will. Now put some honey. Here the juice is ready. Cheers. It's kind of smoothie. I don't know how does it look, but it's very tasty and useful perhaps. And here are my eggs. Almost ready. I'll get 2 eggs. We'll eat and 1 potato mixed and 1 paneer together. I have taken 2 eggs. Now I'm gonna put these 2 eggs in cold water. Because when you put in cold water, You can feel it very easily. It's very cold water now. And in cold water, feel easily without no shock. So after feeling some sleep in the morning bath. And it's very early in the morning, I think, when I have holidays. So I don't need to get up, but I'm getting up. But I don't know, like